Lauren Harris, and at the moment I'm coaching the Huddle group, which is now the under 6s and under 7s teams for Barrytown United. I was coaching my younger brother's team for another club for a few years, and then when I came over to back to play for Barry, and I heard there was a younger team being set up, I just wanted to get involved really.
She's amazing with the girls. They love all her coaching. She's coached my daughter from a young age, and my daughter loves her. She thinks she's amazing, and she wants to be the Barrytown captain when she's older.
The main aim is just to have fun, make friends, and I know a lot of the girls have made really good friends, and hopefully they'll go on then to play all the way through the setup and they'll stay friends, because a lot of them came to me as beginners, and now seeing them going through the pathway, and you know, they're winning games on the weekend and they're bringing more friends to the sessions and stuff as well. It is clearly been successful, so for me, yeah, it is a good achievement as well to see the numbers keep increasing.
She's the best coach ever. She's amazing. She's pretty. She's fun and she's really kind. Yeah, and she is the best girl ever.
To win the award, it would mean a lot to me. It would be a great achievement to see what I've done has paid off, not just for the girls, but on a personal level as well. Especially kind of trying to balance everything around my studies, around work, and playing as well. I think it would mean a lot to me, and also I think it would hopefully inspire other people as well to see what I do, and hopefully one day there'll be more people that play and then also coach, not just at Barry but at other squads as well.
Good luck, Lauren.